Alright, so a really quick vid today. I wanted to give you an update on the front and back lawn after our height reset. 2 weeks now, and I must say, all in all, it's not looking too bad. It is coming back pretty quickly for the time of the year. Now, I had full intentions of getting out here this morning and doing a liquid fert application, but as you can see, it's still soaking wet from dew. So I came out of this morning, pushed the broom over it, and it's not going to dry out in time because I need to pack the car and get out of here because I am heading to the city to catch up with our mate. Yes, I said our mate because he is your mate too, so stay tuned. Yeah, all in all, it's looking pretty damn good. Gave it a quick mow last night when I got home, and I'm impressed. I'm pretty happy with the results. A liquid fert app would definitely go a long way. I might even see if Janelle will do that while I'm away. We'll see how we get on there. She might be too busy as well, so. But yeah, it always looks good from this angle, but there's definitely some little brown spots still creeping around. But they'll fill in pretty good. The cut's pretty good, pretty happy with that. So I actually had a backlapping video for you, 3 parts ready to go. Although I could have probably punched it out and had it done ready for today. I just wanted a little bit more time to fine tune it and make it a little bit better. This little bugger's trying to escape. You want to come out, mate? I can't, I've got to go. So, where was I? Yeah, as I was saying, so yeah, I'd like to spend a little bit more time on that and make it a little bit better. So I might get that out to you next week. Let's go have a quick look at the front lawn. And there we have the front lawn. I was really nervous about this edge. It was quite wide about a week ago, but it's filling in pretty nicely, really. So that's a win. Janelle's been busy, started cleaning up the yuccas, and did she take some stuff off them? Still a bit to go, but can't rush these things. Rome wasn't built in a day. Have a look at this edge. Done a Dan caddy here. Whoops, I put new blades on it and I wasn't ready for it. So, is what it is. It'll come back. But anyway, there we have it. That's the front lawn. All in all, I'm pretty happy with that. Let me know what you guys think. I'd say another week, maybe a little bit longer, and it should be looking really good. And it'll probably go dormant. Oh well, you get that on big jobs. But yeah, as I said, really quick video. We've got some good stuff coming up in the next week or so, so definitely stay tuned for that. But yeah, feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers, legends.